Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel.
Can we just talk? Figure out where we're growing.
Oh, she's hot but a psycho. So left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, mama.
So I hope you guys are doing great, and to those who don't know me, hi, my name is Muskan Khan. So for today's video, as you can see by the title, it's going to be really fun video because my Instagram followers are gonna control my entire day. Yeah, so I guess there's nothing much to explain because there are plenty of people out there, plenty of YouTubers out there जो कि already have done this challenge. So ज़्यादा कुछ बोलना है नहीं, it's just कि without any further ado, let's get to the video. So the first poll, which is what should I have for breakfast, is already up, and I guess I'll just wait for 10 to 20 minutes and then we'll have the answer. And personally I want to eat, I don't know, it's just kuch bhi aaya. Yeah. So here are the results, you guys, and it's clearly showing that you guys want me to eat something healthy. So your wish, my command. So I guess I'll go with oats and some fruits because there's nothing more healthier than that, I guess. So yeah. Now as you can see, my breakfast is ready and I got done with my shower. So the next poll would be whether I should get dressed up or I should remain in my PJs, or I really want to remain in my PJs at least for thoda time and just chill, Netflix and stuff, but I guess we'll see. Yeah, so I just wait for 20 minutes and then I'll see the results. So here are the results. As clearly you guys wanted me to remain in PJs, so I did. Okay, like I've been in my PJs throughout the day and it's almost 7 o'clock right now, and I forgot that I was shooting a YouTube video. Yeah, so anyways, so here's the another poll, which is whether I should straighten my hair or curl it. Honestly, I want to straighten it because I don't really think that curly hair मेरे ऊपर सूट करता है. Like काफ़ी इंसान, like काफ़ी लोग बोलते हैं कि you look good in curly hair, but I don't think so. Anyways, it's you people who are controlling my day, so I should go आप लोग के हिसाब से. So I just wait for the answers. Wait. Meanwhile, I just put another poll, which will be what should I eat? Pasta or nachos? मेरे को nachos खाना है, guys. Please nachos कर दो, please. Yeah, so now I'll go and let's wait for the results. Ta-da! So here is the curled hair you all wanted to see. Basically, I don't curl my hair at all, you guys. It's just I don't feel I look good on them. So tell me, do I look good on them? Should I do this more? I know it's like very uneven, काफ़ी ज़्यादा बकवास, but I promise that I'll improve this matter पे. Yeah. So now the second poll, which was like what should I eat as my snack. So it was pasta or nachos. So luckily nachos won, and yeah, so happy. Thank you so much. Love you. Okay, so yeah, let's go. And meanwhile, I'll just put another poll in my story, which would be this: whether I should prank my mom or prank my dad. I thought that this would be really fun. किसी को भी prank करना हो तो I haven't really thought yet कि what should I like prank them, like what would be the topic. So वो सोचने के बाद अगर पापा होगा तो पापा को थोड़ा सा मेरे को ईजी करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आई एम मच मोर क्लोजर टू माई मम. सो या जस्ट होप कि लाइक मम्मा को हो तो दैट वुड आई गेस बिकम मोर फन एंड ईजी फॉर मी. सो या let's see. So meanwhile I just put this on my story and meanwhile I'll go have some nachos. So yeah, so now that I'm done with my nachos, thank you so much for such a lovely treat. So now it's like the results are here and prank on my mom has won. So I'll just tell you the prank first and then I'll call her. So yeah, so first of all, I'll be telling my mother that I have been given a dare that I have to confess my darkest secret to her, okay? And that secret would be that I'm dating someone. I'm not really sure about her reaction because she knows literally each and everything about me. So if she reacts like, you know, thoda sa weird ya thoda sa like not so shocked, so that isn't my problem because she knows that maybe I'm pranking her or something. Because she knows each and everything about me, so ki if I'm dating someone or who is my crush, who is the current guy I like, each and everything. So yeah. So now that is the thing, that is how I'll be pranking. I just hope it goes good because nahi gaya to it would be a complete fail. Yeah. So are you excited? Come here. Judeo. Come. So are you excited? Yeah. So meanwhile I'll just post my last poll of the day, which would be skincare or no skincare. Honestly I need a skincare now because, you know, pata nahi, I just feel like थोड़ा सा करना चाहिए. I just hope कि your decision is in my favor. Yeah. Now let's go prank. Side. Now let's go prank on my mother. Wish me luck. Okay, so first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Yeah. और ठीक है, तो पहले बताइए कि अब कितनी अच्छी बेटी है.
Good.
ओके शिट. ठीक है, तो हमको एक डेयर मिला है कि आई हैव टू कन्फेस माई सीक्रेट टू यू.
Okay.
ओके, तो सीक्रेट इज आई एम डेटिंग समवन.
फिर से? OMG.
हाँ.
किससे?
उसका नाम है साहिल.
क्या करता है वो?
पढ़ता है क्लास 10.
बच्चा से प्यार करने बैठी? तो कोई मिला नहीं?
यू आर प्रैंक.
ओह.
चलो हो गया. थैंक यू बोलो चैनल को.
Thank you, channel.
एंड
Please support my daughter because she is working very hard and giving a lot of time. She won't work anything. at
okay, we are done. So that was the prank, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. बहुत ज़्यादा. Yeah. And anyways, that's my mother. I love her so much. So yeah. Now the results of the last poll is out that I should do some skincare. Thank you so much. And I thought that I would do it off camera, but then I thought that maybe it would be really, you know, like I've never showed a skincare routine on my YouTube channel. So I thought that you guys could know about my skincare routine as well. So I thought that I should do it in front of you guys. So that's what I'll do. Yeah, and that's the last poll of the day. Yeah. So now let's do some skincare. तो मेरे फेस पे ज़्यादा मेकअप तो है नहीं, बस थोड़ा सा ब्लश है, इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, और आई गेस मस्कारा है, एंड देन दैट्स प्रीटी मच है, थोड़ा कंसीलर है. सो इसको रिमूव करते हैं. सो विल यूज़ दिस, आई यूज़ दिस हिमालय प्यूरिफाइंग नीम फेशियल वाइप्स. Okay, so उसके बाद I use this face wash from Himalaya. This is Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash. It's really cheap. ज़्यादा मेरे को पता है. It's just for $120 and it's really good. Or you can also use a cleanser. It's just up to you जो भी use करना है आपको. Yeah, so I'll just use this and I'll be back. So next I'll use a face mask. Generally I don't use a face mask on a daily basis. But since बहुत दिन से I have not, face mask नहीं लगाया बहुत दिन से, तो I just thought कि this is the Mamaearth Upton face mask. This is a sample product, and if you want yours, you can go to the Smitten app, download it, go to the Smitten app, and you can have your 6 free products as sample products. And if you want some discount, you can go and use my code, which would be in the description box below. Yeah, now enough of promotion, let's do our stuff. So I'll just leave it on my face until it's dried completely. And ये हमेशा होता है, पता है, फेस मास्क हम अपने फेस पे कम, अपने हेयर्स पे ज़्यादा लगाते हैं. It's like a hair mask. Anyways, yeah. So we'll wait. Yeah. So now I washed off my mask, and now I'll just use a mist. This is the mist from Good Vibes. Nothing better than this, you guys, I'm telling you. And the last but not the least, I'm going to use a face serum. You can also use a moisturizer if you want, but I like to use a face serum whenever I remove my makeup. So yeah, and use a moisturizer before makeup. So that was it for today's video, you guys, and I hope you guys liked the video. I hope it was fun for you guys to watch. So yeah, so if you want to see more such videos, I usually make videos like makeup challenges and vlogs. Like, I haven't made a single vlog till now, but I promise I'll make one soon. Yeah, so if you want, you can just stick around and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when I post something new. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment. Pretty much it. Yeah, see you in the next video.
Missing someone